Mga kapatid, ayuda sa Amerika. May nag-invite sa amin, nagpunta po kami. Ayan o, dami-dami nilang pinapamigay. Pila, ayan ang pila. Ayun ang pila ng sasakyan. Ayun ang Mr. Ko, syempre, inayara. O yun, ang dami-dami pila. Nung dumating kami rito, number 16 na kami. So, talagang ang dami o. Free foods, free grocery. Oh. Yan yung mga pinapamigay nila. Dami. Lalagay na lang dyan o sa likod ng sasakyan. Tinanong lang yung name at ilan sa pamilya. Tapos magbibigay na sila. Yun lang. Walang maraming kutik-tik. Bibigyan ka na nila o walang kahirap-hirap na pumila. Nasa loob lang ng sasakyan. Po sila na yung maglalagay sa car. Yan mga kapatid. Ang bigayan sa Amerika ng ayuda. Diba? Dami-dami. Ay, tigat ako cart. Na-under na po. Ayan, nagbibigay sila. Nagbibigay sila.
Hey.
Hey, what is this? Drive up window stuff? You just drive around?
Yeah, you just drive up. A lady will ask you a couple questions if she's still out there, and then you just drive around the line, and then they'll put it in your car, and you go home.
My God, I never heard of this.
Yeah, it's our first time. It's interesting.
Wow. Of course, wait a minute. I'll take that back. There, past Old Crow in 19, there's Baker Road. There's a little plaza there. 7-Day Adventist on it, and they got a free food bank thing.
Oh, yeah. I've seen that.
She told me on Sunday, you just line up and drive around behind the building, and they give you food.
Wow. Yeah, I see some other churches doing that.
Sunday. Maybe it's one Sunday a month or
Yeah.
something.
Well, this is the third Wednesday of the month, so yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right. Let me get off of here. We're fixing to get up here. All right. Bye. All right.
Oh, there's a soda. Yay! We got a Pepsi. See mga friends, may Pepsi, may bread, may patatas. Ang dami nilang pinapamigay as in.